Hello to all of you. I hope everyone is okay. This video is all about alternative of Chinese app presented by Itawa Diaries. Let's start this video by paying respect and gratitude to our soldiers who lost their lives at Ladakh Galwan Valley. So how it all started? It all started after the clash at Ladakh's Galwan Valley between Indian and Chinese troops, in which we lost about 20 soldiers and China lost around 35 plus soldier with some injuries around 45 plus. Okay, so after that incident, Sonam Wangchuk released a video on how to boycott Chinese product and said stop using software in a week and hardware in a year. So we have angriness. Okay, every every people of our country are so angry for now because of China's activity that we are seeing in the news channels, newspapers. Okay. After that, Sonam Wangchuk showed us a way that how can an ordinary people hit them back hard. Why make them realize that if they are creating mess for India, then we are not going to stop for this time. So we initialize Sonam Wangchuk initializes this campaign hashtag boycott China. So you can uninstall simply Chinese app that you are using in your mobile phones, and if you are going to next market for the next time, then you can try Indian products over Chinese product. Okay, why we need to uninstall Chinese apps that we are having in mobile phone? Our intelligences red flag use of 53 mobile apps that are made in China. After that, on 29 June 2020, Indian government bans 59 Chinese apps in India. Okay, so these are all the apps that have some privacy issue that they are sharing our data to the Chinese server. That's why our government decided to ban 59 Chinese apps included with the intelligence agencies that already uh, red flagged use of 53 mobile apps. Okay, so commonly cited, what are the cited reasons for boycott? That maybe include the low quality of products, human rights issues, steady to deal conflict involving China, and security reasons. So these are the all conflicts. These are the issues. Because of that, we are boycotting their product. So there is the list of 59 mobile apps, including with the 53 mobile apps that are already red flagged by our intel agencies, like TikTok, Share. These are the most popular app that we are using until 29 June. And UC Browser, Clash of King, Stuff Factory, Selfie City. These are India is not only the country who are boycotting Chinese product, but also Australia, Philippines, USA, UK, Vietnam. They all have some conflicts with the China. Like in last year, USA announced that they have trade war between USA and China. Let's talk about the alternatives of Chinese apps. So start with the short videos apps. TikTok and Likey are the most popular short videos app. Let's tell you some facts about TikTok. TikTok has around 200 million plus user in India, with the record of largest number of user in India. This app is already banned by government last year, but again it is a temporary ban. So we can see clearly there are data privacy issues that are already told by our intelligences. So we can use Triller instead of TikTok like. And Triller is an American company, and there is no conflicts around for Triller. So next one is the Hello. Hello is also a Chinese app. You can use ShareChat as an alternative for the Hello. Again, the UC browser that is commonly used in our India. UC browser install non-secured files itself from unwanted server, which violates the private Play Store policy too. That's why we are not getting the UC browser. and it is reported by the Info Security magazine. So you can use Google Chrome instead of UC browser. ShareIt and Xender, these are the file sharing app. You can send files in the mobiles by using these apps. So many times it was seen that there are many malwares apps for Android indicate these apps as a harmful app for the Android devices. So you can use files by Google, and we know Google for many reasons, because they are updating their policies up, they are continue updating their privacy issues. So these updates and changes make them better, and we can trust on Google easily. You can use Adobe Skin for cam scanner. You can use Microsoft Office instead of WPS Office. We are using a lot of products of Microsoft, so we have a very good trust for the Microsoft. So selfie and e-commerce apps, and when we are talking about selfie camera apps, there is a first name in which that comes to our mind, that is Beauty Plus. So Beauty Plus is the most usable selfie camera app in India, and I also use that app. It is very good app, but our intelligences red flagged and our government banned that. So here is an alternative for the Beauty Plus, that is Candy Camera, and it is made by the Seoul based startup. Again, Club Factory in the 2018 and 19, there are so many news against Club Factory that they are not paying taxes and a lot of news. So we can use Flipkart as an alternative for Club Factory, and Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce app, e-commerce company that is a very great Bangalore based headquarter. You can use Norton Applog as an alternative for Applog, that is a Chinese app, and Clash of King if you are game seeker person. If you are interested to play game, then you can use Clash of Clans instead of Clash of King. So these 10 apps which we have talked about, so these are the most popular app, and we are using in day to day life. So that's why we told about the alternative apps for the Chinese. We are not more dependent on China for the apps, because there are various apps presented on Play Store, Internet App Store. Okay, so I hope I made clear some points. If there is any issue, then you can comment in the description box, and I think it's okay. Thank you.